April Davis with April Davis Creations here. I am here for day 5 of my 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar series. Each day I open up a door and I share with you a card that was created with that item that was behind the door. Today we are opening door 5. So let's go ahead and get this opened up so we can see what we've got. So door 5, we're going to open that up. And behind this door, we have a pack of, I'm going to call them stencils. Some people call them masks, but I call them stencils. And basically, you have the stencils and you also have a brush. Now, I will tell you that this brush is a little long and it's very soft. I did use it, and I can see myself using it for a number of things, but I will tell you that when I created the card, I incorporated my blending brushes as well. But you have 4 stencils. They're all notched, and they're numbered. So we have stencil 1, 2, 3, and then stencil 4. So do you want to see the card that was created with these stencils? Let me bring it in, and it's a book fold card. How fun is that? So basically laid the stencils out, I think they went this way, and inked them in various colors with the stencils. And we have the stenciling not only for the flowers, but we also have the stenciling for the leaves. And then you can also see that I brought in the labels from the previous day and the gold gems from previous days and finished the card up this way. Now, if you like this card is in a tutorial that I've created with all 12 of the projects, one for each door. I have a 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar tutorial, and when you purchase the Advent Calendar through me, through my store, you're going to receive that tutorial with all 12 projects for free. If you already have the Advent Calendar and you're just interested in the tutorial, you can access it from my PDF store. You just go out to aprildaviscreations.com, go to shop, go to PDF store, and you can purchase the tutorial. Otherwise, you're going to get it for free when you purchase through the Advent Calendar through me. So this is the card for day number 5. How fun is that? A book fold card with utilizing the stencils that came with that behind door number 5. And then, of course, you've got your stenciling brush as well. So I will see you tomorrow on day number 6. Bye, everyone.